We're here because we're getting on one of those tours that you see going around a city centre. You can jump on, jump off, get to see it. And when I booked it, I was thinking, should I also book the evening thing? Now last night I did go out on the evening tour. I saw the Lincoln Memorial, but it did rain heavily, so I didn't do much shooting. But what I thought I'd do today is try and compare what we do today to what we did last night and see if it's worth your while booking both. Maybe I can save you a bit of money if it looks like probably just the one trip is worth it. Passed by the Jefferson Memorial to get here to the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. Last night I went to Jefferson, but lots and lots of work going on there, so I didn't see the point of getting off again. And I really like this memorial. I like the stone and the hewing out of Martin Luther King from within it, which you can see in this video. And you also get a great view across at Jefferson. The tour didn't quite end in the way that I had planned. Went round Arlington, as you've just seen, came out and the first bus turned up. It was full. Looking on the app, it looked like there was at least another 10 to 15 minutes till the next bus would come, and there was a pretty big crowd there, so I wasn't sure if I'd even get on that bus. So in the end I bailed out and I got the Uber and finished off at the wharf. So really the question is, if I were you, would I book 2 tours around Washington. Truthfully not. I think 1 is enough. They're both excellent tours, both well worth doing, but I would only do 1, and if I had to, I'd probably do the day tour. But you do need to go and see the Lincoln Memorial and maybe some other bits of Washington at night, but there's plenty of e-bikes around, plenty of other ways that you can do that. So I'd definitely do 1 of the tours, up to you which you do. The night tour, the trolley bus tour, really full of character, very good drivers who entertain you on the way around if that's what you want. The day tour, more in your own hands. You got some headphones to plug in and listen to the commentary, and you get off at a lot more stops. So whichever suits you, I would do, but personally I wouldn't do both tours. I'd stick with the 1, and in my case I'd have probably done the day tour if I'd known what I know now.